Welcome to this clear and concise guide on how to find your post or page identification number in WordPress. In this tutorial, we will walk you through each process one step at a time, ensuring that you know exactly where to click and what to look for. Start by navigating to the WordPress website in your chosen web browser. Once you arrive at the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will see the option to log in. Clicking on the login link is your first action. This link is typically easy to spot and is positioned prominently for convenience. After clicking the login option, you will be presented with a choice to sign in using your preferred method. In this case, select the option labeled Continue with Google. This method leverages your Google account credentials for a quick and secure sign-in process. Once you click on Continue with Google, it will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use. Select the account associated with your WordPress site. Taking your time during this process helps ensure that you sign into the correct account and avoid any potential accessibility issues later on. With the login process complete, you now have access to your WordPress administration interface. The next step is to locate the Posts section. To do this, navigate to the Posts area within your WordPress dashboard. Often, this section can be found on a dedicated page where all posts are listed. The interface is designed to be user-friendly. You will see a list of posts that have been previously created, making it obvious where you can manage your content. For this guide, think of a website domain like heckmedia.wordpress.com, which manages posts through a clean and organized layout. Once you have reached the Post section, proceed by clicking on the Edit option for the specific post you want to work with. Clicking the Edit button opens the Post editor where you can make larger changes to the content if needed. It is within this editing interface that you will find the post or page identification number. Now direct your attention to your browser's address bar. The URL in the address bar is more than just a web address. It contains valuable information about your post. Look carefully at the URL after you have clicked on Edit. You will notice some parameters in the URL that indicate a post identification parameter. Examine the URL and identify the segment that comes immediately after the word post equals. The series of numbers that follows represents the unique identifier of your post or page. It is important to copy these numbers exactly as they appear because this identification number is used by WordPress to differentiate between various posts and pages within your admin system. By copying this number accurately, you ensure that any subsequent actions you take that require referencing this specific post or page will work correctly. This detailed process helps you quickly and reliably locate the identification number without any need for additional tools or plugins. Every part of the procedure has been designed for simplicity and ease of use, allowing you to manage your WordPress site with confidence. Thank you for following this tutorial, and know that navigating and managing your post is now a straightforward task thanks to these clear instructions. Enjoy exploring and managing your WordPress content with this helpful method.